Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market. Market has closed today. Let's see how the market is going to perform in the coming days. So alright guys, as we usually start, let's start with our Nifty 50. If you take a look at Nifty, Nifty has formed a double top here and it has came a little bit downwards. So Nifty is in an ultimate uptrend. Now the Nifty has formed a double top, so double top is called as a sideways pattern. Double top is called as a starting of the sideways. So we can expect a market to go a little sideways. It may go a little bit of sideways in the future coming days. It may come a possibility to come through this level. 15,500 is very high. So let's wait and see. Nifty is now is in a little bit of sideways. So keep this in mind. Nifty overall trend is uptrend only. We can expect a little bit of correction here and then we can expect a sideways market for a few days. After the sideways is over, the ultimate trend is uptrend. Now it is not a best time to trade in Nifty in futures and options. If you have bought a shares in the related pairs to Nifty, it is always better. Now it is not a very advisable to trade in Nifty 50 in futures and options. So wait for sometimes after the market has given you the clear uptrend or downtrend, you can go for buy or sell after the market gives us a clear trend. Now the market is a sideways zone. We call the sideways zone as accumulation and distribution zone. Accumulation and distribution zone. Accumulation, people may try to buy the products. The institution may try to buy the products. When they try to buy the products, they may form a sideways. So this is it may be accumulation zone. So let's wait and see. If the accumulation is over, we can expect a big huge movement in the market. So let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. If the market breaks above the previous high, we can go for buy. If the market breaks below the low, we'll let you know in our coming previews and review shows. So this is for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, if you take a look at Bank Nifty, we previously said it has formed a double bottom, it has broken the neckline, and I said in the last preview and review, it may come for the correction to this level, broken level. As you can see, the market has come to the broken level. So this is also a correction, and the market is now forming a trend line here. You take a look here. The market is forming a trend line here. As you can see, the market is forming a trend line here. So this is also a correction zone. If the market breaks above this trend line, we can go for buy in Bank Nifty also. So this is also a accumulation zone. Trend line is also a accumulation zone. Trend line is also a form of sideways. So let's wait and see. If the market breaks above this level, we can go for buy in Bank Nifty. Alright, this is for Bank Nifty. And for gold, take a look at gold. And for gold, if you take a look at gold, we previously said the Nifty is currently at the gold is currently at the 0.618 retracement. As you can see here, the market has given us the 0.618 retracement, and it is giving a little upwards. If you want to go for an investment in gold, it is a very good time to invest in gold. So alright guys, this is your preview and review for today. Thank you. Alright guys, these are the patterns which is formed in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.